7 wonderful detox water to reduce your body weight this summer. Cucumber water implies coolness and detoxify our body. A glass of cucumber water is magnificent with regards to having reviving beverages in summer and obvious to reduce our body weight. It is an extraordinary expansion to water and upgrades the nourishment. So on the off chance that you are on a weight reduction rather than plain water, add a couple of cards of cucumber and get twofold advantage. Buttermilk is a second option to reduce body weight, and one of its key advantage, it helps in processing. It contains solid microorganisms that further develop the stomach microbiome. Fenugreek water is the third method for the beginning a mid-year morning. It helps in weight reduction. It assists the body with retaining supplement appropriately. Lemon and mint are esteemed for their reviving nature. Adding this to ordinary water improves the flavor and builds the nourishment content, also reduce body weight. Apple and cinnamon water keeps the digestion on and furthermore keeps the individual full for a more extended time frame. Also detoxes us to maintain healthy weight. Grapefruit water could be a decent expansion to a weight reduction diet. This citrus organic product expands the digestion, adds a characteristic sweet flavor to the water and is stacked with supplements which help to reduce body weight. Orange water is one of the most outstanding detox water you could attempt for this mid-year. It is plentiful in L-ascorbic acid, expands digestion and expenses barely anything to plan. In the event that you are on a weight reduction mission, remembering this special water for your regular routine will keep your body hydrated and loaded up with supplement. So to reduce your body weight, keep connected with this channel by subscribing, liking and commenting on this channel.